Hey everyone, let's talk about walking. It's simple, free, and can seriously upgrade your life. We've all heard about aiming for 10,000 steps a day, but is it really that big of a deal? In a word, yes. Walking isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's a secret weapon for a healthier, happier you. Think of it as a magic pill with no side effects, just amazing benefits. This isn't about becoming a marathon runner overnight, it's about adding more steps to your daily routine. Trust me, your body and mind will thank you. So, are you ready to lace up those shoes and discover the incredible benefits of walking? Let's go. Let's talk about the amazing things walking does for your body. First up, your heart. Walking is like cardio without the strain. It strengthens your heart, lowers bad cholesterol, and helps control blood pressure. That means less risk of heart disease, stroke, and other scary stuff. Walking also helps you manage your weight. It burns calories and boosts your metabolism, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. And it's great for your muscles and bones too. Walking strengthens your legs, improves balance, and increases bone density, but it doesn't stop there. Walking can even lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It helps your body use insulin better, keeping your blood sugar in check. So by simply putting one foot in front of the other, you're making a huge investment in your long-term health. It's time to get moving. Walking isn't just good for your body, it does wonders for your mind too. Feeling stressed or anxious? A brisk walk can work wonders. Walking releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. They act like natural mood boosters, melting away stress and leaving you feeling happy and relaxed. Walking also helps clear your head and improve focus. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain, allowing you to think more clearly and creatively. And if you're struggling to sleep, a regular walking routine can help you catch those z's. Walking promotes better sleep patterns, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized each morning. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, lace up your shoes and go for a walk. Your mind will thank you for it. Section 4. Walk the talk, social and environmental perks. Walking isn't just a solo activity, it's a great way to connect with others and care for our planet. Invite a friend, family member or your furry companion to join you. Walking and talking is a fantastic way to catch up, de-stress and enjoy each other's company. It's also a fun way to explore your neighborhood, discover hidden gems and get some fresh air. Plus, walking is an eco-friendly mode of transportation. By choosing to walk instead of drive for short trips, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier planet. So grab your walking buddy, soak up some vitamin D, and enjoy the social and environmental benefits of walking. Section 5. Hitting the ground, running tips for success. Ready to embrace the 10,000 step challenge? Here are some practical tips to make it happen. First, start small and gradually increase your steps. Don't try to do it all at once. Begin with your current step count and add a few hundred steps each day. Next, make it a part of your daily routine. Walk during your lunch break, take the stairs instead of the elevator, or walk around while you're on the phone. Find a walking buddy. Having someone to walk with can make it more enjoyable and help you stay motivated. Track your progress. Use a fitness tracker or smartphone app to monitor your steps and celebrate your achievements. Lastly, listen to your body. If you're feeling any pain, stop and rest. Walking should be enjoyable, not painful. Section 6. Take the first step today. Congratulations on taking this journey towards a healthier and happier you. Remember, every step counts, no matter how small. Walking is a simple yet powerful way to transform your life. It's time to ditch the excuses and lace up those shoes. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and start reaping the incredible benefits of walking. You've got this.